So our project is about the COVID prevention. So as you all know that currently the COVID-19 is the deadliest pandemic in the current modern world. So there are many guidelines that are coming out to prevent the disease from spreading. And it is researched that the virus can be infected through a close contact with a person with a virus. As a result, it is suggested to stay far away from one another, at least 2 meters, and to wear the mask everywhere, as well as washing your hand with soap or alcohol very often. But in our project, we will focus on only wearing the mask and washing your hands with soap and alcohol. Our motivation is that when you are going to enter the entrance of the building, right, you have to wait a long time to detect whether you can go inside the building or not, as well as there are an increase in using the human resource in coming into checking the people entering the building. It means that the rate of exposing the disease is higher, right? So the proposed solution is that we want to automate the COVID prevention system by using the machine learning algorithm. So our goal is to prevent the COVID-19 from spreading, as well as speeding up the check-in process into a certain place such as buildings. There are 3 KPIs. The first is successfully detecting if a person is wearing a mask. And the second is the alcohol will dispense automatically when your hand is near the ultrasonic sensor. And the third is the entrance will not open, as well as the buzzer will buzz if the person is not wearing a mask. So this is our block diagram. It consists of 12 components and 3 actuators, 1 sensors. Okay, and this is the 2 main features, which is like the mass detection, and as well as automatic alcohol dispenser, and the data will all be shown in the NetPy free board.
Okay, so in order to detect whether a person is wearing a mask or not, we use a machine learning model and Pi camera to detect person wearing a mask in real time. And we also use object tracking algorithm, so the program know if the person in front of the camera is the same person across different frame. And also we need this because sometimes the camera doesn't detect the person, like some frame they're not detected. So if we don't use this, time it thinks the same person is coming in like twice or 3 times. And this is the demo video of our product. Okay, so for the summary of work, when we get the machine learning model, it works really well. But as I mentioned before, sometimes it thinks the same person is like different person, so the buzzer and door will work like incorrectly. So after we implement the object tracking algorithm, it can know if it's the same person or not. And then we have the alcohol dispenser as well. So initially we have a problem that the pump didn't work because the SCM wasn't supplying enough voltage, so we add additional external supply for it to work correctly.
Okay, so last demo.
Okay, so first we'll test without a mask. So the camera will detect that I'm not wearing a mask, and the buzzer will buzz, and the door will remain closed.
So we are going to demonstrate a person wearing a mask next. So the entrance will open and automatically close for you. Next we'll demonstrate alcohol dispenser. So if you put your hand near the ultrasonic sensor,
Maybe the connection is loose.
Bye-bye. Um, 2 minutes. So here the alcohol will be dispensed out. Yes, thank you.